Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have a very exciting unboxing. Now this is part 2 from the video that I filmed the other day, and I am very excited to get into this. For those of you that have picked up things from Silverpunk in the past, you'll already recognise this wrapping. So let's get straight into it. Now, this is an extremely special piece. Now, for those of you that follow Silverpunk's work, and for those of you that haven't heard of Silverpunk, he is a silver pourer. He pours some really unique pieces. He has his own style, and it's very unique from many other silver pourers that I've seen. And I've been a huge fan of his work from the early days. From the very moment I discovered his work, I was a huge fan. I've got a piece just here, which is from Silverpunk. He does these really nice panel pieces. He's moved away a little bit now from these smaller panel pieces. The only smaller pieces you can get are these character bars. Now, if you're a member in Stackers Social, you can actually request to have your own character bar made up. And that is the only way you're going to be able to pick up a smaller piece from Silverpunk, because Silverpunk, at the moment, he's focusing on his larger pieces, his larger sort of panel pieces that he makes. Now, if you're interested in checking out Silverpunk's work, I will leave a link to his work in today's video description. So please do head over and check out his website. Everything he makes sells extremely quickly. So he does have stuff listed on the Cardiff Gold website. And he was one of the first UK pourers to actually be listed on a main UK bullion website. So yeah, that was a huge achievement in itself. But everything that he has listed on Cardiff Gold's website, I believe, is already sold. And last time I checked, I think everything on his own website had also sold. So he makes custom one-of-one pieces. He doesn't really like repeating the same process over and over again, so he keeps his work very unique. But what I'm unboxing today is an exception to that rule. This is his first and last time that he is going to be making a Stackers Social piece, and that is mainly because he doesn't like repeating his work over and over. One of his main trademarks and selling points, if you like, is the fact that he makes one-of-one pieces. He doesn't like making the same piece over and over. This will be a limited edition poker chip. I've already got one of these. You get one of these every time you pick up something from Silverpunk. And this is number 10 of 55. And this is a yes or no poker chip. Really cool. I had those produced for Silverpunk, and he actually gives them out to everyone that buys something from his website. But let's get straight into this. Extremely excited to see this in the hand. Everyone's been posting their pictures on Stackers Social of their ones turning up. I believe there was only 25 of these made. They sold out very quickly, and here it is. So it comes in a 3D printed box. It's got the design of the piece on the front of the box. I think Nerd UK produced these box. He is a very talented 3D printer artist within the community. And let's have a look at the star of the show. Oh, it's wrapped very nicely. So here is the COA. Very nice size, just over 2 ounces. These were all around about between 1.5 ounces and 2.5 ounces. They all vary slightly in size. But it's the Stackers Social Completer. And this is number 12 of 25. Now, like I said, this is the first and last piece that Silverpunk said he would do with Stackers Social branding on it. So it really is an exclusive piece. He doesn't like to repeat his work, like I said, over and over. But he made an exception to the rule just once for Stackers Social. And that is absolutely stunning. It's got an antiqued finish. It's got all of the most used emojis within Stackers Social. It's got the handshake and the coffee cup, which everyone uses every morning to welcome each other. You've got a smiley face there. You've got the fire, the bicep, the laughing face, the okay, and the thumbs up. Stackers Social logo in the middle. We turn it round, you've got the hallmarks on the back. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. Really nice thickness to it as well. And like I said, these are actually all sold out now. They sold out extremely quickly. And let's have a look how it looks in its display box. Look at that. Absolutely incredible. It's not just a box, it's actually a display box. So you could actually leave that sitting around and just admire it. But that is truly special. Really, really chuffed with that. Silverpunk, if you're watching today's video, amazing job you've done with this. Absolutely incredible. The relief is so good. And the beauty of it is, since I purchased this, the spot price has increased so much that there's hardly any premium attached to this piece. The spot price last night hit $100, which is round about 72 to 73 pounds an ounce. And that means that adding the UK premiums on, which is a 20% for new pieces of silver, and the premiums that are added to all silver coins and bars, you're looking at around about 90 to 95 pounds an ounce just for your standard Britannia. Some main bullion dealers are actually selling Britannias, your standard 1 ounce silver Britannias, for over £100. So this piece cost me £200. And as I just showed you, it is over 2 ounces. So to get a piece of hand poured silver for pretty much the same price that I could have got a couple of Britannias for, just makes it even more special. So extremely happy with that. Amazing job with the box as well there, Nerd UK. I will leave a link to Nerd UK and to Silverpunk's YouTube channels in today's video description, so please go and check them out. And like I said, if you're interested in picking up something from Silverpunk, there's a link in today's video description. I will also pin the link as well. Head over to his site, have a little look. A lot of his older pieces that he sold when he first started his journey are selling on eBay for really, really nice premiums on them. So it's one of those artists that's up and coming. His YouTube and his following is growing by the day. And I believe that his pieces are only going to go up in value as he becomes more and more popular. So thanks very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.